I am super excited about getting my hair. It's going to change my world for the rest of my life. The reason I'm here today is to go for a second round. I was so pleased with the first round and just really wanted to finish off exactly what I wanted the look to be.
It's been a year since my last surgery, and I am thrilled with my results. The second time around was just as fabulous as the first time. I ended up being very, very happy about the results. I feel like I have a lot more confidence in myself. In the past, I wore hats everywhere. Although I think I look really cute in hats, I think it ups my cuteness points, but I don't have to wear hats anymore because I have a head full of hair. And so now I never wear a hat. The first time I saw myself side by side, I felt like I had been taken back 15 years. I'm actually 53 years old. When I had the opportunity to share that video with my family and friends, they're like, we can't even remember you being bald. I have zero shame in having this procedure because I'm like, please, I bought my hair. I love it. I chose hair grafting. What it does is it can get the most hair in one round. And I knew for me, that was going to be the key to my success. I love having the opportunity to just go out, get in my Jeep, and let my hair blow in the wind. That was something I so missed when I lost all my hair. That's just one thing it's done for me. I'm in the training industry and I feel so much more comfortable presenting in front of people now. And I don't have that inside of me going, all I'm doing is thinking about I'm bald. All I'm doing is thinking about I'm bald. I don't have to worry about that anymore. I don't have to worry about it at all. When I look in the mirror every day, I smile. I smile because I feel incredible with the way I look now. If you're sitting there having the same feelings that I had, don't wait another second. Pick up the phone and call We Grow Hair. They have become like family to me, and that's what they will be for you. Because at the end of the day, you will have no regrets whatsoever.